It's really windy day. We're going to fly in the forest our FPV drone, DJI Avata, and we're going to test today my special design mount for action cameras like GoPro or Insta360 camera. Mostly we're going to use this camera, so let's switch to it. My lovely yellow DJI Avata, my favorite FPV drone, but with a small difference. On the top of the battery we're going to put my custom-made action cam mount. You easily just click in camera, connect the drone. This on the top, it's taped with the really strong double tape, and you can put a GoPro on it, you can put whatever lights, cell phone, or like we're going to do now, we're going to put this camera, Insta360.
Product.